Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problems, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. If you will find here updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.